Stop cutting pineapple the old way, because this method will surprise you. Hi friends, I'm Nancy. If you're still peeling pineapple the traditional way, don't skip this video. Today, I'll share a few much easier ways to cut pineapple that help keep its shape, reduce waste, and give you neat, bite-sized, and beautiful pieces. Stay with me, because this might be the simplest pineapple cutting trick you've ever learned. Instead of cutting a pineapple the usual way, I'd like to introduce you to a very simple method that you may find quite surprising the first time you try it. First, gently twist and remove the leafy crown from the top of the pineapple. Next, lay the pineapple on its side and roll it back and forth a few times. This helps loosen the natural fibers inside the fruit. Place the pineapple upright on a cutting board and lightly tap the bottom against the board a few times. After that, tap the top of the pineapple, where the leaves were removed, against the board a few more times. There's no need to hit it hard. Just a few gentle taps are enough. Now, instead of using a knife, use your fingers to gently pinch one of the eyes or segments of the pineapple. Slowly pull it outward, and you'll see each segment begin to separate naturally, one by one. The pieces come out cleanly, almost as if they were made to be pulled apart that way. There's no need to cut, no need to peel, and no tools required. Each piece is small, neat, and ready to eat. It's simple, clean, and surprisingly fun, isn't it? Have you ever tried eating pineapple this way? Let me know your results in the comments. One small note for you is that this method only works well with naturally ripened pineapple, not artificially ripened ones. When the pineapple is at the right quality, the result will be easy, gentle, and absolutely worth trying. If you'd like a more elegant presentation, especially when serving guests, this spiral cut pineapple method is a wonderful choice. It requires a bit more attention, but the result is truly beautiful and well worth the effort. Start by placing the pineapple on a cutting board and cutting off the top and the bottom so it can stand firmly. Then stand it upright and carefully peel the skin from top to bottom. Try to follow the natural curve of the fruit so you remove the skin without taking away too much of the flesh inside. After peeling the pineapple, you will see the eyes running in diagonal spiral lines around the fruit. Instead of removing each eye one by one, use the tip of your knife to gently cut along those spiral lines. Just make small, shallow cuts to lift the eyes out in a continuous strip. Work slowly, following the natural pattern, and you'll see the pineapple begin to look clean and smooth with a beautiful spiral design. Pineapple has a high water content, helping keep your body hydrated. It also provides antioxidants that support skin health and may help slow down signs of aging. With its natural sweetness and low calories, pineapple is a great choice for a healthy snack that is both delicious and good for you. Next, place the pineapple on its side and slice it into even, round pieces. As you cut, each slice will naturally form a shape that looks like a flower, almost like a chrysanthemum. The pattern from the spiral cuts creates a very decorative look, making each piece stand out. These slices are not only easy to eat but also very visually appealing on the plate. They look fresh, neat, and perfect for sharing. After cutting the pineapple, don't eat it right away. Although pineapple is one of my favorite fruits, if you're like me, there's one thing that can be a little uncomfortable. Every time I eat pineapple, I feel a slight tingling or irritation on the tip of my tongue. It's not painful, but it's enough to take away some of the enjoyment. And I always thought that was something I just had to accept when eating pineapple. The first time I heard my grandmother mention a simple way to reduce that tingling feeling before eating pineapple, honestly, I didn't believe it. But to make her happy, I decided to follow her advice. And surprisingly, the result amazed me. After cutting the pineapple into pieces, prepare a bowl of water and add a small pinch of salt. Stir gently until the salt dissolves. Then place the pineapple pieces into the water and let them soak for a few minutes. This simple step helps reduce the enzymes that cause that tingling sensation. While still keeping the natural sweetness of the fruit, the pineapple remains fresh, juicy, and appealing, but much more comfortable to eat. This method is especially helpful if you want to enjoy pineapple right after cutting it without waiting too long. In addition to soaking in salt water, you can also place the pineapple in the refrigerator for a while. Just let it chill until it's slightly cold. When the pineapple is lightly chilled, it not only tastes more refreshing but also feels much more comfortable on your tongue. The cool temperature helps reduce the tingling sensation, making each bite easier to enjoy. Now you can enjoy a delicious plate of pineapple without worrying about difficult cutting or that tingling feeling on your tongue. And you can still fully enjoy the natural sweetness and aroma of the pineapple. That's wonderful, isn't it? With just a few small changes, you now have a perfect plate of pineapple ready to share with your friends. Give this method a try the next time you prepare pineapple, and let me know how you feel in the comments. When you take a little time to choose a ripe pineapple, cut it properly, and use simple tips like soaking it in light salt water or chilling it, you can enjoy every bite without that uncomfortable tingling feeling. I hope this helps make your time in the kitchen easier. Take care of yourself and enjoy your fruit. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you again soon.